The pipe symbol is one of TypeScript's most powerful yet misunderstood operators. Let's break down what it really does. The pipe symbol creates a union type, which means a value can be one of several different types. When you write string pipe number, you're telling TypeScript this variable could hold either a string or a number. It's TypeScript's way of saying OR between types. You can combine as many types as you need, like type A pipe, type B pipe, type C. Union types shine in real-world code. The most common use case is handling nullable values. Instead of a value crashing your app, you declare it as string pipe null, forcing you to handle both cases. They're also perfect for function parameters that accept multiple input types, like a format function that takes either a string or a number. Here's where TypeScript gets smart. When you use type guards like typeof or instance of, TypeScript automatically narrows the type. Inside an if block checking type of x equals string, TypeScript knows x is definitely a string, not a number. This gives you full autocomplete and type safety without manual casting. The compiler tracks the narrowed type through your code flow. Don't confuse the pipe with the ampersand. Pipe means OR, creating a union that can be any of the listed types. Ampersand means AND, creating an intersection that must satisfy all types at once. Union types are far more common in everyday TypeScript. Remember, the pipe symbol creates union types, letting values be one of several types with automatic type narrowing. Master this, and you'll write safer, more flexible TypeScript code. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.